In this video we are going to do certificate based authentication. So the PC which I am interested in is PC1. We will do machine certificate based authentication. Also we are going to do user certificate based authentication on this PC1. As we know, PC1 is already a domain joined PC with this Active Directory. Because this topic is lengthy, so I'm going to divide this topic in 4 different videos. First video, I will show you how to create user and computer template. Okay, and second video, we will create computer and user GPO group policy. And third video, we will create .1x group policy so that we can push all these to the user. And fourth and final video, we will configure ISE like policy set, authentication, Active Directory certificate services, authorization, decals, all those things. So we will do in this last videos. So basically 4 different videos, and our target is certificate based authentication, user and machine both. But before that, let me explain you this topology which we already know. Let me show you from my lab. So we already know ISE 1, 192, 168, 100, 210, which is a primary ISE. Secondary ISE is 100.220. And our Active Directory is 230. Our DHCP is also 230. DNS, FTP, NTP, and Certificate Authority. All of them is this one, 192, 168, 100, 230. Right now we don't need wireless LAN controller. And this is the management switch SW1. We don't need to do anything here. These VLAN is already configured here, and also these VLAN is already configured here as well. And if I can show you, show VLAN brief. So these are from previous lab. These VLAN is already configured here. The switch I'm interested in is SW2, and the port I'm interested is this one 0/2, and the PC I'm interested in PC1. So PC1 I already told you is joined domain already. Okay, and this the port where we will put our .1x configuration, and this the switch where we will put our .1x configuration. This is our edge router which connected to the internet, and we already know there are some pre-configuration, these VLAN, and also this the trunk, etc. And the switch management IPA show IP interface brief, sorry, show IP interface brief. This the management IP of the switch which we will use to register here in ISE, and I believe it's already registered there from previous lab. This is my management PC from where I will get access to this ISE, this one 210. And if I need this 230 certificate authority, either Active Directory, so I can do remote distop from this PC as well. So that's why this my PC, and this the subnet which we are using. Okay, so there is free configuration from previous labs. We already know that one. And let me go back, what else I need to know. 100.210 I already told you, this primary ISE, 220 is secondary ISE, 230 is DNS and Active Directory, 230 is also certificate authority. Domain name we are using test.local. Test user is E1, and group is employees. Okay, and test VLAN which we will use is 20, and VLAN subnet is 192.168.20.0. VLAN 20 gateway is 20.1. So let me show you the gateway. So gateway is configured here. So this is 20.1 gateway. What else you need to know? Okay, switch 2 is the authenticator switch, and management IP I already show you, and if you want, so it's here which we will use. And then .1x interface is E0/2, which I'm interested this one. And then certificate authentication, so we will use two certificate templates, computer and user. So these two template, and these two template is available with these name, user and workstation authentication certificate template. Host name our PC is PC1.10. Let me show you, by the way. If I go to remote desktop, and if I take remote desktop to my Active Directory, okay, and if I go to server manager, and if I go to tool and Active Directory computer, user and computer, so this PC already joined a domain. So let me show you it's there or not. Okay, and if I go to computer, so this the PC, this one. So PC1 Win10, this the PC host name, because we will see this in logs, so that's why I want to show you. And computer name, outside computer name is PC1, this one. Just at least you know all these information before doing this lab. So this is our topology, and what else I need to mention, that's it. Okay, and we need to create decal as well, which I will show you. And this the simple topology which we will use for certificate based authentication. So in next video we're gonna start from user and computer template, then GPO, then .1x policy, and then we will come back to this one, because we need to configure switch, we need to configure ISE and all those things. But in this video, just to show you the topology which we will use for this lab.